Trademark Watch Services versus in-house counsel. Which one is better for global brand protection? Most companies underestimate the complexity of protecting a brand worldwide. The surprising truth is that relying solely on in-house counsel often leaves gaps in monitoring and enforcement. Trademark Watch Services continuously scan global databases, online marketplaces, and domain registrations to detect potential infringements. For example, a fashion brand can receive real-time alerts about counterfeit products appearing in international e-commerce stores, allowing rapid action before damage spreads. These services use AI and automated tools to cover thousands of jurisdictions efficiently, something even a dedicated in-house team can struggle to achieve. In-house counsel provides strategic oversight, legal advice, and enforcement capabilities. They draft cease and desist letters, negotiate settlements, and coordinate litigation when necessary. Their expertise ensures proper legal action, but monitoring thousands of potential threats manually is time-consuming and prone to oversight. The most effective approach combines both Trademark Watch Services for real-time surveillance and in-house counsel for legal enforcement and strategic decision-making. This hybrid approach ensures a brand is proactively protected across multiple markets, reducing risk and maintaining value. The key takeaway is that global brand protection requires both technology and expertise. The surprising truth is that companies using only internal resources risk missing infringements, while integrating watch services with in-house counsel creates a robust, efficient, and cost-effective strategy for protecting intellectual property worldwide.